Bridge has partnered with industry leader Healthwise to provide high-quality patient education. Give your patients trusted and unbiased health information designed for the new digital world. Patients can research relevant topics from Healthwise's comprehensive library of health information. Here's how it works. Click on Education from the menu on the left. Select whatever you wish from the menu of available topics. In addition, there are a number of patient self-service tools, including a symptom checker. The symptom checker tool will walk you through the necessary steps to help you learn more about your particular condition. Healthwise's evidence-based health education content is up-to-date, accurate, and easy to understand, allowing your patients to make better health decisions.